Daily routine guys before tayo maglinis ng bahay.
And look at
Si hi to Smart.
Mommy.
Ano lang, sana abot pa yung product natin sa
ABCD.
ABCD. Sana abot pa yung product natin sa January. So, hanggang na, so dito tayo. Yan. Diba, kita? Diyan tayo na-inlove yung ating mister.
The ball.
Parang pupunta ng ano, no? Hindi na ganyan. Bata, pasensya na background, guys. Sa ng bahay, parang pupunta ng shopping center. Dito lang naman. Budget tayo kasi maubos na yung Rosmar natin, guys. Hey, nako, Rosmar. Ayan, guys. Rosmar lang.
Slow.
Yeah, just wait. Tingnan yung bata to, nag-burlis na. Thank you, Rosmar, for this product. Ay, hindi to sponsor. Sabi ko lang thank you kasi pag walang Rosmar, paano na tayo, guys? Ayan, Rosmar. Ang ganda talaga siya, guys, oh. Walang filter yan, ha? Ayan, oh. Kita niyo ba yan? Hindi siya perfect, pero at least, diba? Oh. Ready na! Ready na ako maglinis! Ang dami kong lilinisin, guys. Guys, marami tayong lilinisin. Okay lang yan kasi naka-Rosmar naman tayo, guys. So, good morning, everybody! So, I hope maganda yung morning nyo at happy birthday sa nag-birthday ngayon. So, today, Alexa, what time is it? Hindi ko alam kung anong oras. Alexa!
1:26 p.m.
Oh my God, 1:26 na, guys. Picture muna tayo. Dito.
Mama, wait, this?
Ay, pangit na ba? Ay, init! Init kasi dito, guys. Ayan.
Nanay dito sa Australia, may apat na anak, pamilya ang saya. Hindi man perpekto ang buhay na
Go, Tatam.
basta't magkakasama.
What happened?
Sapat na ang saya.
Good morning. Gwapo na siya, oh. Who is handsome?
Say
good morning sa guys, sabi ko. Say good morning sa guys. Morning, guys. Rusty. Yun. So, who is that? Rusty? What is that? What is his name? Rusty. Okay, you get na the package. Slow down, put down, Rusty. Can you get the package for mommy? My little help, guys. So, come on, get the package.
Ako'y isang Pinay mo dito sa
Ha?
Australia.
Eh, Uncle? Hey, looks like you know how to read. You know how to read. Where's si Rusty? Who is that? Daddy, oh, Uncle. Si Rusty, oh. Si Rusty.